how to enable the brand new private album feature on Samsung phones running One UI 8, so you can keep your photos and videos truly private inside the gallery. Let's dive in. First, open your Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Tap the three-line hamburger menu icon at the bottom right to open the Gallery sidebar. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap About Gallery. Now tap the version number repeatedly until you see a message that Gallery Labs is enabled. That's the secret unlock. Back in Settings, you'll now see Gallery Labs. Open it and toggle on Private Album. Once it's on, a new Private Album option appears in the main Gallery menu. To move your photos and videos into the private album, long press to select your items. Tap the More menu, choose Move to Private Album. Now those files will be hidden behind your phone's lock like PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. To view hidden media, open the hamburger menu again, tap Private Album, and unlock with your PIN or fingerprint. And that's it! You now know how to enable the private album on One UI 8 to protect your photos and videos. If this helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. See you in the next video.